Now, the vaccination pace in the country, unfortunately, has started to again slow down after a record 90 lakh vaccines were administered. Remember, on June 21st, this drive has started to witness a decline with just 1.7 lakh vaccines on June 27th. Last evening, 25.7 lakh doses were administered across the country. Now, the slump in the vaccination drive is being attributed to a shortage of jabs being given to states. The centre, meanwhile, in its affidavit in the Supreme Court, has said that 12 crore jabs will be given to states and private hospitals in the month of July. This essentially translates to about 40 lakh doses a day. That's 60 lakh less than what's required to vaccinate all above 18 by December 31st, the government set target. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has assured that all states will be taken care of by the centre and that everybody will be vaccinated. The Union Health Minister, Dr. Harshvardhan, has slammed what he termed as irresponsible statements from various leaders regarding the largest vaccination drive in the world. So the centre is claiming all is well.
Every state gets allocation as per the intensity of the attack, as per the density of population and the number of vulnerable population. And the central government supplies it well in advance so that they can announce as to how much is being given 7 days prior to the availability. All states will be taken care of. The flow will be well managed. So you can assure, I wish to assure through the media, that all people's interests will be taken care of, everybody will be vaccinated.
Let's take this across now to Milind Sharma. She's joining us live from Delhi with the latest updates of the vaccination drive and what really has led to it slowing down. Milind, good morning. We're looking at the data that's come in the last few days. It's dipped from that record 90 lakh vaccines. Since then, it's gone down progressively. Very worrying figures. The centre, however, is claiming all is well. But now that we're hitting a new month of July, can we expect that again things will pick up?
Well, good morning, Akshita. In fact, the government has come out and said that 12 crore doses will be supplied for the month of July. And they've also mentioned that 11.5 crore doses of vaccines were supplied in the month of June. But if the country wishes to inoculate 1 crore people and, of course, all of the population above the years of 18 till the end of December, we need a massive amount of doses. Already we've heard in the affidavit that the Supreme Court saw around 216 crore vaccines were supposed to be kept in the allocation, but the government has reduced that number to 135 crores already. And that seems to have pushed back the supplies of the vaccines for many states that are now saying that they are unable to continue the vaccination drive, of course, mandated by the central government because the vaccine supply is now centrally being given, apart from the fact that private hospitals are also given 25% of the procurement. But the country has demonstrated that they can do more vaccinations a day. A record 8.6 million vaccinations were done just on 21st of June. So it's not like we don't have the capacity, but a lot more depends on the supply end of manufacturers. That is why states are urging that they require more vaccine doses. And in order to reach that target of 1 crore inoculations per day, more vaccines are certainly required, Akshita.
Let's hope things pick up, especially with more vaccines also getting the nod right now. We're hoping that that will really help in ramping up supply to states. Thank you very much, Milind, for joining us with those details. Now, we've been getting you details also about a vaccination